To look for the 7th graders and up. Like you're gonna watch South Park. South Park right there. And this Caleb sitting in the chair who's only a 5th grader can't come to the youth group at Crossroads Church. Only 7th and 8th graders could go. 7th, 8th, and 9th, and 10th, and 11th, and 12th graders could go. And I'm going to go to the mountain, I'm going to go to the Cascades, I'm going to go to the Mariners game again. Guess what? I get to go swimming and tubing and have free lunch.
That's not fair.
And I get to go to the meetings and read the Bible. Which I think that's pretty fun. Say, Kayla, say what you want to do.
I want to go to church.
You're going to be in the children's area. Well, I'm going to be at... I'm still going to go to church, Kale, but I'm going to be, like, in the youth part. I'm now a 7th grader. South Park again. Kale, tell the truth. What do you want to do?
Please don't let me.
Yeah.
Andrew, come here.
He's just gonna pick me up. Seeing you up close is so fun.
You can't go to the bathroom, you're stacking Thunder armor. It's okay. Bathroom! What, huh? Bathroom! Bathroom! Oh, that's a big boy, isn't he? Alright, can you drink your elixir of the mongoose? I'm now going to use Mocking Blow. Our demo was set up right over by the... Got to sign in? Name? Alright, I'm in. Dude, I'm almost dead. Kyle, cast arcane missiles. I'm out of mana, I told you. I've got to heal. Stop!
Kale, do you want to come too?
Yeah.
You can. It's only for 7th through 12th graders. And also, we get to go swimming and have fun in the sun.
That is not fair. That's not fair. Why did you go at
I get to go to Mount I'm telling. I'm going to Mount Rainier.